Hi guys, this is Ben Fatbiker Studio. If you're first time to tune in to my channel, please hit subscribe button at pati bell icon para lahat ng mga latest gadget, drone filming, travel vlogs at mga YouTube tutorial mabibigay ko sa inyo. Oops! Christmas na! Buti na lang umabot itong isang padala sa atin. Okay? Let's unbox this. Again, i-unbox lang muna lang to and I will have a separate video. Okay? For all the top secrets and features of this. Okay? Tara, buksan na natin. Ano ba laman ng box na to? Let's get it on, guys.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Okay guys, no? This is one of the, I think, the most expensive gadget for 2020 gadget review and unboxing. So, buti umabot po ang ating padala na to. And then, there are a lot of gadgets incoming naka-hold na sa mga custom. So, let's unbox this one. Okay. So, chill lang kayo dyan. And, bispresa ng Pasko na. Okay? So, for those with maraming na Gcash na pamasko sa mga ninong at ninang, I think, baka para sa inyo to. Wow. Okay, guys. Alam mong box. Ayan natin. Okay. This is the latest iPad Pro, okay, with 12.9 inches, okay. For this one, this is the biggest, okay, and the toughest, okay, so far in the market, okay. Let's unbox this one, how this look like, okay, ano bang mga laman nito sa loob nito, and let's see. Okay, sundan natin. Okay, may sikreto daw, no? So, makikita nyo sa box. Okay ang box, okay. Okay. May sinasabi sila, no? By the way, bago ko ituloy, ito ay iPad Pro 12.9 inches, 4th generation, and 128 gig, as you can see. Okay, alay ko mga kali ako. Okay. So, if you will go to Apple, okay, Apple website, okay, if you will go to the iPad section, merong lalabas kagad na pop-up. Okay, pop-up headlines or pop-up, let's say, icon telling about your next computer is not a computer. Ito na yung sinasabi nila. Okay? So, this is the first part of the shipment na dumating and I'm still expecting 2 more accessories na ito. Okay? Accessories of 2 more pa ang parating. Okay? Let's unbox this. Alam ko. Atat na kayo. Atat na rin ako. Okay, may sinasabi, no? Tika lang. Magbukas ito. Pasensya na. At medyo... Okay, may sinasabi, okay, kapag mahirap buksan, okay, yung plastic, nag-unbox kayo, mahirap buksan, fake daw yun. Okay, I also asked some of our unboxing cameras and mates from around the world. They say, if it's a legit and an original iPad or Apple product, it should be as easy like this. Okay, ganun padali na. Okay, pros unboxing. Basura. Bayita yung box, talagang parang malaking iPhone. Okay, let's unbox what's inside. Ayaw magpabukas ako. Handa lang tayo. Ayaw pabukas. Okay, para makulit yung box. Yung maingat sa box pa naman. Okay. So, wala naman. Okay. It's over. And then, as you can see, tabi mo natin ito dito. At ang laman. So, anong laman? Okay, some product information. Okay, about the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. Okay, and some brochure. Wala na. Ay, syempre, ang standard na sticker. Sino may gusto nito? Sa inyo na lang. Okay? Okay. And then, a wall charger. And, okay. So may kakaiba dito, no? It's a different thing. Okay, unlike the previous iPad, it's a different charging. That's why I'm looking at it, observing it. Ang wall charger, hindi siya USB, standard USB. It's a USB Type-C. So Type-C ang port mo rin, male, female, and Type-C rin papunta sa iPad Pro. Okay? The 4th generation. I think, yeah, this is the 4th generation. Double check that. Yeah, the 4th generation iPad Pro, 12.9 inches. Okay, lagyan natin dito. So wala nang laman, no? So yun lang naman. So let's tingnan na natin. So let's open this one and then hanggang para tayo, and then I will have a separate review of all the details, the technical details of this one. So unang makikita mo kagad sa iPad Pro 12.9 inches yung camera. Okay? Pareho sila ng iPhone 12 Pro Max. So parang malaking iPhone 12 siya. Okay, and we have the color, the space gray. I think space gray ang pinadala, no? Space gray ba to? Okay, space gray. Okay, buta lang hindi pink or ano, fuchsia. Okay, so let's open it. Para i-open to ito. Tandaan, baka mabasag. Oops. Yan po ang ating iPad Pro. At mahulog na. Okay, para siyang wallet type lang. Okay guys, wala namang crack, no? Sa shipment, hindi, walang damage. Okay, iPad, this is the iPad Pro 12.9, super laki. Okay, I have an iPad mini. Okay, I have the MacBook Pro. Parang MacBook Pro ko na to, mas malaki sa MacBook Pro ng 11. Okay, so kita nyo. Okay, that's the iPad 12 Pro 12.9 inches. Okay, so ibang-iba siya. So let's try to open this one. Let's power on. And then let's see. Okay, powering up. Sabay-sabay natin tingnan. Tin, 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 tin. Mabagal ang startup niya. Ayun, lumabas na rin. Okay. Ayan. So, hindi alam. May commercial. May na-interrupt. So, makikita nyo, just like the other phones, no? Especially the iPhone and Apple, unang lang syempre yung setting. So, there you go, guys. So, English. We'll check the English. Okay. English. And then, select your country. Okay. So that's it. So you are now going to set up. So hanggang dito muna tayo guys, no? So we unbox this one and then wait for a couple of days. Then I will have a specific technical review of this one. Okay, the software, okay, the tips and tricks, and hopefully we'll have a lot of topics to discuss about this iPad Pro 12.9 inches. It's so big. Okay. So guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and by the way, watch out. Wait for my next video about my Christmas giveaways, okay? You should be listening and watch yung mga mechanics, okay? I'm talking about drone, okay? I'm talking about drone giveaways. I'm talking about action camera giveaways. So tara, samahan nyo ako, paramihin natin subscriber ko. So let's get it guys. Maraming salamat. And this is Bino Fat Biker Studio. Mali, nabulol na ako. This is Bino Fat Biker Studio. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. Nabubulol na ako. Bye-bye!